So the first word you have to guess is, it is 8 inches long, made of latex. What can it be?
Exactly 8 inches long, or it can fluctuate?
You can use it for protection. Before going to bed, you do that.
What's up?
Welcome to the most entertaining show on YouTube, Street Flicks. और मैं आपका होस्ट अविन आ गया लेके सेकंड एपिसोड ऑफ डर्टी माइंड चैलेंज. तो ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करके चलिए देखते हैं, खेलते हैं वो गेम. Keep your eye on this. Okay guys, so here we have three beautiful ladies. So the first word that you have to guess is, it is 8 inches long, made of latex. What can it be?
8-inch long, made of latex.
A ruler.
I've never seen a rubber.
Rubber ruler. The word that's coming in my mind, I cannot say that.
Yeah, this is the Dirty Mind Challenge.
Made of what? Latex.
My mom
made of latex.
be watching this.
Exactly 8 inches long, or it can fluctuate?
Type. Leather pouch. Some bag strap.
A long eraser. No, apart from a dildo, it's a long eraser.
You can use it for protection.
Okay. God.
The shield of a sword.
You can wear it in some other place.
Okay, condom. Condom.
That's what I wanted to hear, but that's not the word.
Okay, you wanted to stuck us. Cool.
Like, that's not the only protection, right?
Yeah, sure.
Latex is confusing.
This word latex is confusing.
I don't even know. Like, what are the products made of out of latex?
You're stuck on that dirty thing or what?
No, I'm just thinking, what if it would be published?
Yeah, come on. Yeah, yes.
What?
Gloves.
Hand glove.
Yeah, rubber gloves. Yeah.
Okay.
So the second word for you is, it's white and sticky.
Blue.
Wait, let me finish. And it's best to spit out than to swallow.
Chewing gum. Chewing gum.
Saliva. I know this one.
Chewing gum.
Bubble gum.
White.
Cream.
Sticky.
What cream? You are going to bed. So before going to bed, you do that.
Okay. No, it cannot be.
What can
Toothpaste.
Yeah, toothpaste.
Yeah, I know that one. Toothpaste.
Oh my god, he got it.
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste. So this is the end of this video. Hope you had a nice time watching it. And if you want to say anything, then drop your comments down in the comment box below. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye. Take care.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time you upload a new video. Never miss to say what's up. The one who laughs last is the slowest. The one who laughs first has the dirtiest mind. So which one are you? No matter which side you are, keep laughing and keep loving us. We thank all our viewers and subscribers for your tremendous support to make What's Up India possible. Keep watching us, keep sharing us. More fun coming soon.